The next type of bird migration is diurnal migration. In this type of migration, birds are migrating in the daytime. Many large birds fly in day. Examples are crows, swallows, hawks, cranes, pelicans, geese. These are migrating during daytime for food. These birds are called as diurnal birds and generally migrate in flocks. The ninth type or last type of bird migration is the nocturnal migration. Majority of small sized birds like sparrow, warblers, thrushes, etc. prefer to fly at night under the protection covered by darkness to escape from their enemies. They feed and rest during day. However, some birds fly by day and night continuously while migrating. That is called as continuous migration. Examples are ducks, golden plover, Arctic tern, etc.